Hey there, Pyro peeps, Dex here. Just going to be doing my own demo of some products. And this one today is Graffiti by World Class. It's a 200 gram cake. It's a total of, I think it's 15 shots. Take a peek. Nice large bore there. And the performance as they indicate it is bright red, sky blue, white glitter, to purple and sky blue with green glitter, to blue mine, to blue star and silverfish, to red glitter mine, to red glitter with silverfish, and then finishing with whistling tail and golden time rain. So it looks pretty good. World Class is typically some good products. So let's go check it out. Okay, next up is Graffiti by World Class Fireworks. Nice mix of effects.